home. I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes.
Chester's like, feed me, feed me. I said, I gotta let the chickens out first and feed Jethro. Right, Jethro? Oh my heavens, Jan. Oh my heavens. You poor thing. There's my drama queen. Okay, Chester, I'm here. I'm here. You hungry? Huh? Is you hungry, Chester? Chester is our red-winged blackbird that stays all year long. Good old Chester. Come on, Snook, let's go. Snooky, let's go. Well, you guys, we have another beautiful day at the lake. I'm not going to go right on the beach today because Coco doesn't like it. And it's his time in the morning. It's their walking time. Come on, Coke. Just up here so we can show the lake. You don't have to go on the beach today. I promise. I promise. Oh, I think it's only going to be in the 70s today. I tell you again, I could live with this kind of weather. Yeah. Not too hot, not too cold. Just perfect. Yeah. There's the beach, everyone. Nice and blue, and oh, it's just beautiful. Okay, Coco, okay. Come on, Sand. Coco don't want to go on the beach today. No. Okay, Coco, we're coming. Sandy's coming. Yeah, let's go, Sand. We'll go around walking on the road like Coco likes. It's all about Coco, you know. Yeah. Snooky, you getting tired? You can't walk very much anymore, you guys. Come on in the stroller. We'll bring you a ride. Aw, my poor baby. He gets tired very easily. This one doesn't. No. You want a drink, Sandra? Okay. Okay, let's get you a drink. Here you go. Take your time. Oh boy. Come on, Coco. A little bit of hacking there going on. You want more? Okay, you can wait till we get home. Okay. Coco. There you go, buddy. Free rides. Yeah, free rides for seniors. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Sandy. I'll get that off your bed. Hang on, let me feed the birds first. Okay, this morning, you guys, I have overnight oats. I don't know how well it come out, but we're gonna try it. I made them last night before I went to bed. I've never tried this. I see people eating them, and I'm like, I don't know, wouldn't that be soggy? I had oatmeal, apples, dried apples that I do in my dehydrator, and I had my mixed up for oatmeal. So I thought I'll try that. Okay. Well, it doesn't look as thick as the one I've seen on TV on YouTube. I'm gonna bring some granola on there. Okay. Let's try this. I don't think I put enough oats in. It's not bad. I'll try to make it again. And put more oats in it. Overnight oatmeal. Oatmeal, yeah. I don't know. Maybe I need more oats. The dehydrated apples are wonderful. They've been soaking, so they're soft. It tastes just like you sliced an apple. Okay, I'm gonna go eat this, and let me know below if there's a certain amount of measurement for everything. Mine's just really milky. Okay, I'm gonna say I thoroughly enjoyed that. I really did. So I'm gonna come up with some and make some up, and I'll share them with you when I make them. Now we should get in the house and make our, what is it called? Strawberry shortcake. Yeah, I enjoyed that. After I started eating it, and the apples were soft, and the cinnamon, I enjoyed that. I'm gonna make more for sure. I'm getting a headache. Oh, I keep getting a headache. I think it's sinus allergies. I don't know. But this, come on, fall. Sandra, you look so comfortable. Are you on guard? Hey? What's that look for? Huh? What's that look for? Snooky's recovering from his walk. It's getting harder for him. It's okay, Snook. You rest. I can actually see the lake right here on my deck. Pretty cool. That's cool. Okay, everybody listen. We have to go in. We have to make our strawberry shortcakes. So come on, everyone. It's time to go in now. Bruce is trying his overnight oats. He just got up.
I feel like I'm overnight.
Well, let me know what you think of them. You always like a hot oatmeal, so I don't know if you'll like that as much. But it's good for the summer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so for my strawberry shortcake, I gotta make some whipping cream. I'm gonna use a 1/4 cup of icing sugar, because if you use icing sugar, it'll make your whipping cream a little thicker, you know, like kind of like Cool Whip. So let's measure out 2 cups of cream, and we're gonna beat it up.
Just a rowdy woman. Just gonna beat it up.
Okay. Put that in there. 2 cups going in. I froze my whipping cream, so it might look a little thick. I can't, like, next time I'm going to freeze it in 1 cup things. I've seen someone do that. That way, if you don't use the whole carton, you can just pull them out of the freezer. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of icing sugar and beat this up till it's whipped. I'll be back. Okay, for this you're going to need a clear bowl. You're going to need a white cake. You can buy a cake at the store too, like a pound cake or anything like that. Whipping cream. Strawberries. Now if you buy strawberries, especially in Canada now, it's strawberry season. If you buy them from a stand or a picked fresh strawberry, you will get this kind of juice. If you buy them in the container from freaking California this time of year, then you will not get this juice. And you're crazy. Because strawberries are everywhere right now in Canada. Don't buy those California ones at the store. You know it, guy.
What's going
Boyfriend?
on here? A little bit of sassiness?
I'm just saying, it's strawberry time in Canada.
Yeah, the Strawberry Festival is in LaSalle, Ontario right now.
Today? This weekend?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. Well, I better have real strawberries there. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut this cake up, and I'm gonna put it in chunks. So let me go cut this up first. Okay, you guys, let's start layering. I'm gonna start with the cake at the bottom. And then we're gonna go with the strawberries and the juice. Look at those beautiful strawberries, you guys. One more juicy. Oh, one more. Okay, then we're going to put the whipping cream. I need bigger spoons. Like, come on now. This is wimpy. Be here all day with those little spoons. Okay, put the cream on there. Spread it out. It's gonna be so good. And just keep layering like that, okay? So I'm gonna go layer this and then I'll show you the finished product. I gotta go blow my nose. Okay, my strawberry girl is gonna show off the strawberry truffle. I love her so much. I got her at a thrift store too. I rescued her. One of my favorites. One of my favorite chicken finds. Yeah. Strawberry truffle, you guys. Strawberry shortcake truffle. Now I didn't use all the cake, but I did give some to the chickens and the squirrels. They'll enjoy it. You'll say, well, look at the birds out there. They love my cake. Look at them. They're all having a party. It's a birthday party. That's funny. Then there's Fat Ass in the feeder. Yeah, Fat Ass. Look what Nate just brought in from the garden for me. A rose. He said they're working on the roses out there. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh. Okay, you guys. All this except the red onion, but we do have red onions growing. All this is from our yard. I'm going to make a beautiful salad that we're going to have for dinner tonight. We're going to have chicken nuggets with it. Okay, I would make chicken nuggets out of chicken breast, but I don't have any, so we're going to use some of Nate's. He's got too many. So, chicken nugget kebabs, okay? And then, so let me go make a salad out of this and get it ready for tonight's dinner, which will be a little later. It's still early. Yeah. Then I'm going to clean up this mess. And I'm going to try and make some hot honey. You know what? I'm so blonde. Let me turn you around. I didn't realize I could make my own hot honey. I thought it was a special honey that came from the bees. Blonde moment, what can I say? Anyways, you guys told me I can make my own hot honey, so I'm going to try. So let me get the salad and all that made in the fridge, and then we'll try and make some hot honey. It's just a little one ingredient, I think. Let's try it out anyways. I'll be back after I make a salad and do dishes. Okay, this is going to go for Jethro, his treat. Some lettuce and greens. Yeah, that'll go for Jethro. I'll give that to Bruce to give to him. Hey Bruce, will you give this to Jethro for me?
No.
Please? The weed man. He's weeding like crazy. Okay guys, I have some of my honey here. I wanted to try and make hot honey. So, some of you said use cayenne pepper. And some said pepper flakes. So I'm going to try the cayenne pepper first. I don't want to overheat it. But I want to put some of this on our chicken nuggets for dinner tonight. So I'm going to try both ways. I'll try this Cajun pepper first. Oh, I'm so silly. I didn't know this. It was this easy just to make honey. Hot honey. Yeah. Okay, let me give that a taste and see if I need more. Wow, that's good. I'm going to put a little more. Just a little more. Okay, that'll do it, Michelle. Okay, we'll see what this is like on our chicken nuggets with our salad for dinner tonight. We'll let that sit. You're sitting in Cocoa Spot, aren't you? Yeah. Your spot's over there, silly. So you can watch for predators. You want to sit with Mom? Okay. You can sit here for a bit. Yes, of course. Nice little lady. Oh, here comes. I gave Ginger some peanuts. And the other two, here they come. I swear they can smell food a mile away. You seeing? See if we can get any friends come to the bird feeder right there. Okay, Sand, go on your blanket. These dogs don't like to lay on the ground. They like blankets, they like pillows. Everybody happy? Are you happy? Jeez, I went to go to the washroom and he acted like I left him forever, barking his head off. Yeah. So I decided to bring these outside. These are like heavy duty. I got them at the thrift store in Harrow, but I thought they'd be pretty in the summer to have outside. And I got my flowers from Nate. And that bicycle, I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. But I've got those fake flowers there. Because nothing ever grows easy in a little container like that. So I'm going to put the bicycle somewhere. I'm not sure where. Oh, and then I bring out my little bird That's from the thrift store out in Essex. Yeah. Yeah, it's not wood, it's like pottery, you know what I mean? How do you say that? Oh, I'm so itchy. I sit outside and I get so itchy. Coco, this is really becoming an issue. I know you love me, but couldn't you just sit in the chair while I read? He loves me, you guys. He ought to be with me every second of the day. You rest, Bubby. I'm gonna hold you while I read. I'll hold you while I read. Of course. You see that birdie over there? It's just a little dove. Yeah, just a little dove. Good looking for trouble. I'm gonna go read with the Coco in my arms. Yeah. Are you enjoying being outside then?
You had all that other stuff on.
Huh? Where do you find that timer at? So I know.
Put it there, right next to your messenger.
Oh, the clock.
Yeah,
okay.
the clock. I don't even have one of them on my...
I said 5 minutes.
I didn't put it on.
Oh, okay.
Just showing you where it was. Oh, he's got one of them, right? Oh, that's her light.
What?
Hey, that's what I'll buy myself. What a cheap that'd be to go to work.
Girls, look at them.
What?
They're on the wrong side of the road.
Get over here, girls.
Come on, girls.
Get
Want
over
some
here.
Cheerios?
Oh, look, you hear Cheerios.
Come on.
Cheerios.
Okay, I gotta get you 3, eh? Okay, Zen, I bring some, if you want, some corn for you. Okay, girls. Got some corn for you guys. Here you are. There you go. Where's Ginger? Ginger! Come on! Come on, Ginny! Come on, get some corn! She hangs out in the chicken yard. I'm sure she'll be coming. Jen! Where are you? Ginger! Well, she's gonna lose out on corn, I guess. She was just here. Okay, you guys, I'm using takeout today. It's Saturday. I don't want to do any more dishes, okay? Leave me alone. Okay, now I'm going to bring both dressings outside so we can pick whatever dressing we want, but the hot honey I'm going to drizzle on top of the chicken. Okay, so watch it. I have this honey thing. Just drizzle it on your chicken. Okay. Couple drizzles should do. It's gonna be good.
You get me something to drink?
No, you gotta get your own drink. I'm sorry, but I don't know what you want. You got water? I didn't know what dressing you wanted, so you can pick. So this is hot chicken strips with hot honey on it.
Hot?
Hot honey.
Is that hot honey? Here, when we get that?
Yeah.
See, go like this.
Oh, I don't have the strength for that.
How do you get that thing separated?
Let's taste this.
Doesn't it have the lid?
Hmm? Mmm.
Doesn't this lid
We
come off?
actually have more honey.
That thing stuck at the top.
What are you talking about?
See the hole?
No, it doesn't have a hole, I don't think.
It does. This has got to come off. I feel like I guess it doesn't. Looks like it does.
I don't think it does.
What's that?
It's ranch or blue cheese.
What kind of cheese is that?
Laughing cow. Mmm.
What'd you use?
Be careful. You got the lid for that one? Yeah, it doesn't open. Told you.
Here, I need it again.
Which one?
Blue cheese. He wants his lettuce.
Mmm. So good.
Leave it.
I hope I was taping. It shut off again.
It's recording.
I got some more honey. Yeah, but it was on when I left. I thought.
You leave him be.
Ooh, look at that.
It's a little baby. Sand.
Show him the bird and the reeling. I think we gotta get it some food, like mushed strawberry or something. Look at Sandy looking at it.
Dinner.
San.
Dinner.
San.
Dinner.
San.
A sparrow nugget. Mm.
Leave the
Sparrow
baby
nugget,
alone. I have to make it hotter, you guys. What should I add? Little chili peppers?
Just put a little bit of yourself in there, honey.
I think a little bit of chili peppers.
Or, what's that guy's name? Frank's Red Hot?
No, you put pepper, like, I put canine pepper in there.
I could have got some of them plants. That lady had some.
What?
Cayenne pepper plants.
Oh, yeah? Well, we're going to go for a ride tomorrow, so we'll see.
I like your chicken fingers.
Giving it good?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's amazing.
See, look, I tell her to go get water, and she runs in and gets me water.
Cheers, hon. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I've been waiting all day for this. It's time to scoop some of this out. Yeah, I've been waiting all day for this baby. Yes, it's kind of like a cake. It really is. Oh, it's gonna be good. You can put ice cream on top too if you want. I think this is pretty moist enough though. Just like strawberry shortcake. Okay guys, we're gonna say goodnight and go and enjoy my strawberry shortcake, and hope you guys all had a good Saturday, and we'll see you in the next one.